What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Altcoin Buzz. So today we're going to do a video that we haven't done in a while. We're going to take a look at recently added altcoins. So yeah, that's kind of come about because you guys have asked for it. So I'm going to go through the process of how I found these coins, and we're going to talk about them and introduce you to about 5 new coins and tokens, whatever you want to call it, depending upon what they are called, right? A coin or a token, there is a difference. But yeah, if you're new here, you can subscribe to this channel. We post videos about altcoins. That's where we get our name, Altcoin Buzz. So our job is to talk to you about these projects so that you're at least filled in when you're looking at Blockfolio or looking at Crypto Pro and you see this coin go up. You're like, hey, I've heard of that coin because I saw it on Altcoin Buzz. This is not going to be a very detailed, full thorough strip search of these coins or tokens, but altcoins. But we're going to look at them and at least give you a general idea of what they are. So let's go ahead and kick that off. Like I said, if you're new here, subscribe. And thank you to everyone who likes these videos because that's what encourages us to keep going. And this is just that easy. So thank you to everyone who's been liking these videos. All right, so the first coin that we're going to look at here is called Dadi. Now, Dadi, what a name, right? You're like, let's take a look here. It hit the market 4 days ago. And if we come over here and we look at Dadi, you can see it hit the market around 48 cents, and because the market has been retracing since the 19th, it is currently sitting at 36 cents. I am not a professional financial advisor, and this is not professional financial advice. This is an introduction to altcoins so you know about these projects. In this case, it's a token, ranked number 295. So you can pick it up on Gate.io, IDEX, and Robinhood if at any given time you decide that you like this project. I personally do not have a position in this, so I'm just introducing it. So let's take a look here. Decentralized web services. We've heard this before. We've seen this before. A new era of cloud computing services powered by blockchain technology, being that it just came off the ICO. Here we go. Let's take a look at the video introduction.
The Internet was conceived as a global democratic communication network, a mesh of computers where information and power were equally distributed. This principle is under attack from all sides. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are centralizing control, while powerful lobbying groups are working to undermine net neutrality. We are facing a future where you are the customer and the product of a network controlled by only a handful of global corporations. But what if we reverse this relationship? What if we collectively owned the network while also being the beneficiaries of the revenue that comes from its use? Introducing DADI, a decentralized platform for web services built on the Ethereum blockchain and committed to upholding the founding principles of the Internet by democratizing computational power. Dadi represents a fundamental shift in cloud computing services by enabling peer-to-peer collaboration on a massive scale. Our technology finds the closest and most appropriate hub of computational power and distributes tasks accordingly. Any device, from a smartphone to a supercomputer cluster, can join the network and sell computational power as a miner. On the opposite side of this transaction, platform users benefit from significant reductions in cost, enhanced security, rate flexibility, and cutting-edge performance. In stark contrast to other ICO events, the technology of Dadi is already here. The microservices at the heart of the platform have been in development for 4 years and are in production today, powering products like Empire Online, Monocle, and Virgin Limited Edition. Dadi is to the cloud what the cloud was to owned infrastructure. It's tackling a $250 billion industry head-on.
All right, so that's Dadi. We've taken a look at it now, and we will take a look at the team here. So you can see their team. Joseph, CEO of Joseph Den. He's the CEO. You have Chris Mayer. He is the chief strategist. And you have Will Levins, who is the founding tech. Will has been founding tech companies since 1998, specializing in content and data management. All right. So as you can see, they've got they're basically waging war against the centralization of your data, right? So full public release of Dadi publishing interfaces, production, ready, build, complete with baseline test coverage. That was Q4 2017, already complete. So what do we have to expect from them moving forward? Beta release of store. Full public release of Dadi cloud storage solution, production, ready, build, complete with baseline test coverage. CDN, milestone release, significant feature release of Dadi CDN. Details to be confirmed. So they're saying that's going to happen this quarter, right? Alpha and host release with Linux. And then Q2, they have some more information. You can go through this roadmap. Looks pretty detailed. We'll see if they execute on it. And yeah, this is Dadi, and it's just an introduction to the project, and we're moving right along here, and we're going to take a look at Bluzelle. So Bluzelle, it's another exciting project that people have talked about on our channel, or asked us to talk about, so we're including that in this video. I also do not hold a position in this, and we are talking about this because you guys have asked us to. And it's available on Binance. So that's interesting. Gate.io, $86 million market cap, 165 million circulating supply sitting at 52 cents. Let's take a look at what the Bluzelle project is. So Bluzelle combines the sharing economy with the token economy, renting individuals' computer storage space to earn tokens, while decentralized app developers use tokens to have their decentralized apps data stored and managed. Let's take a look at this video here.
By 2020, there will be over 20 billion devices sending data to each other. But how will so much information be stored securely with high performance and low cost? Enter Bluzelle, a decentralized database service that is massively scalable, secure, and affordable. Bluzelle is based on advanced blockchain technology, distributing data across the network to eliminate cyber attacks, guarantee privacy, and scale on demand. Blockchain is the new internet. Bluzelle combines blockchain swarms together to create a decentralized network of on-demand databases. This innovation, known as swarm computing, ensures high performance, reliability, and scalability. As a producer, you join Bluzelle and rent out your computer hardware as database storage. You are paid for hosting data on all the swarms you are a part of. As a consumer, you join Bluzelle to privately store your application data in our swarms. You only pay when you access the Bluzelle network. You can even be both a producer and a consumer, accessing and earning from the Bluzelle network, creating a vibrant ecosystem. Without Bluzelle, data is stored in the cloud on servers all owned by one company. With Bluzelle, data is stored across swarms of millions of computers. No one owns the entire system. Imagine, no downtime, no central point of failure. Swarms of millions of computers all racing to serve your data. The best of blockchain and the next generation power of swarm computing. Bluzelle is the database for the future of the internet.
I must say, that was a pretty good presentation by this team here. And if we just take a look here, you can see Pavel Bains, the CEO, Niraj Murarka, CTO, and Tim Kunha is the senior developer. So you can see they have their team in place. And they have their white paper up here. So hopefully you guys have an idea of what Bluzelle is looking to do. And basically a lot of this has to do with decentralizing the internet. And Bluzelle is another one of those teams looking to do that alongside DADA or DADI. So the next project that we're going to take a look at here is called The Key. You know, we had mentioned previously in other videos that we didn't see any women CEOs outside of, I think, Patientory and The Key are the only two that I've seen. So here's another company with a female CEO, and it's been brought up, so people have brought it up and asked about it. So this is the information. Brand new project hit the market on February 6th at around 2 cents, and it's retraced back to that price. So it's just running flat, still a new project. You can pick it up on KuCoin. And if we take a look at The Key here, so The Key unlock the future, a decentralized ecosystem of an identity verification tool using national big data and blockchain. A lot of these new projects here are about data. and this is why in our channel I'm always stressing data with you guys. It's not because I'm influenced by that. I've used data and I know how to use data. Is very, it's a way to optimize your organization. It's like popping the hood, or when a doctor runs a report on your diagnostics, on your heart rate, and tells you your pulse and your cardiovascular, whatever, you know, your cholesterol, your blood cell count. That's them getting data on you. But data on the internet, you can use that to optimize, right? So, reputation is the only future asset. The Key project is now developing an identification verification tool with blockchain-based dynamic multidimensional identification by using personally identifiable information, which is exclusively authorized by governments only. Ooh. Okay, so by leveraging government's PII and blockchain technology, in addition that the results generated from our IDV is neither denied nor altered. There are 3 undisputable advantages comparing to the other existing IDV products. More reliable results. The supporting data is gathered in real time, is comprehensive, accurate, and reliable. The data is also validated in advance by government agencies or other public institutions. Lower cost, full use of existing data sources, avoidance of duplicate work for data collection, processing, and authentication, and better user experience. It is not necessary for individual users to install any application or upload information. So, the most outstanding woman entrepreneur in China. So that's the CEO of this product. I would say the thing that the thing to keep in mind. So you have Catherine, she's the CEO, and you have the team here. Also, early investor was Neo, so that's interesting, right? And basically it says right here is developing an identification verification tool with blockchain-based dynamic multidimensional, which they've already set up top. You can join their Telegram up here. You can join any of their social media if you want to get familiarized with them more. And so this is just a quick introduction, and they have their white paper right here. So moving right along, now we're going to take a look at Medicalchain. We talked about Patientory, now we're going to talk about Medicalchain, and there, if you guys know anything about the DentaCoin run-up that we experienced, where a lot of people in the medical field jumped into DentaCoin, but that's for dental. But let's take a look at this one. So when it hit the market, it was at 36 cents, down 27 cents. You can also see the Satoshi levels right here for those of you who are counting with Satoshis. If you're a newbie, take a look at understanding the difference between Satoshi, which is the Bitcoin, basically dollars and cents, essentially is called a Satoshi, and then you have the USD valuation. You also have the market cap right here, but we'll save that for another video if you guys want that. Anyways, you can pick it up on Huobi. I guess cryptos is the top place, right? But KuCoin would be the real top place. I don't know. This is coming in through Ether on Cryptos. I've never heard of that exchange. Gate.io, right? So let's take a look at Medicalchain in detail. So blockchain for electronic health records, and let's watch the video.
In our world today, with the technology available, could healthcare be better? Today, doctors, nurses, and health professionals are limited in the level of care they can provide. This is due to the inability to view your complete and accurate health record.
At Medicalchain, we believe that by putting patients at the heart of healthcare, we can truly improve people's lives.
With Medicalchain, you have full access and control over your own personal health data. Users are able to grant doctors immediate access to their health record via their mobile device. Medicalchain keeps electronic health records safe and secure using blockchain technology. The blockchain layer of Medicalchain hosts limited, non-personal information. This information acts as a pointer, directing the system to your encrypted health record. Encrypted records are held within hospitals, universities, and non-profit organizations regulated to handle sensitive data. Only your authorization can unlock your health record and allow it to be viewed on the mobile interface. But MedicalChain is much more than a way to view patient electronic health records. Services such as telemedicine consultations are available with MedicalChain. Your doctor can check your progress with access to your medical history. Wearables ensure that doctors can access life-saving information when managing vulnerable or unconscious patients. MedicalChain provides peace of mind. You can feel safe knowing your health data is accessible to you and your doctor when it matters most. We are transforming healthcare with health professionals, patients, and technology specialists from around the world. We hope you too will join MedicalChain in building the healthcare of tomorrow today.
All right, another data-centric, blockchain, really, this whole last ICO period had a lot of data coming from it. Some of the top ICOs were data-driven, so we're seeing that definitely being a center point here. And so you can see the telemedicine platform. You can go through their website, you can download the white paper, and you guys should always do your own research, right? After watching this, this is just an introduction to show you what exists out there. And you can see their team. So Dr. Abdullah Albayeti, Mo Tayeb, and Vincent Barrett Chauset. They're definitely working here. They got an Omni advisor and Wings advisor. Okay, what else do we see down here? So interesting project, interesting angle to be taken for the blockchain with the medical chain. You can see how this could be of use. And it'll definitely be interesting to see if they can execute on becoming a leader in this. Like I said, we also have Patientory and Dentacoin, which are different, but Patientory is more similar to this one, which has been around for a while, and it hasn't really done much. So, but Dentacoin did. And then let's take a look at one more project here while we're at it. And this one's going to be WePower. So WePower reminds me of Power Ledger. It's hit the market at 20 cents, sitting at 17 cents now. It's had a lot more crocodile teeth on the chart than the other projects that we just looked at. So a lot more price action with this bad boy here. And you can pick it up on Huobi, Liqui, CoinFalcon, IDEX. So let's take a look at this website. WePower is a blockchain-based green energy trading platform, and let's watch the video.
Hi, I'm Nikolai Martiniuk, co-founder and CEO of WePower. For the last 10 years, I'm working in energy industry, building energy and solar plants, and selling green energy to the final consumers. Knowing energy business inside out, I know that green energy revolution is needed more than ever. The world still runs on dirty energy. Changing this from top down is difficult and takes decades. Current investment structure has too many bottlenecks that has slowed down investment process in renewable energy significantly. WePower will change renewable energy market from bottom up by connecting green energy producers directly with households and investors. Our platform enables renewable energy producers to raise capital by issuing their own energy tokens. These tokens represent energy that is committed to be produced in the future. As a result, energy producers can trade directly with green energy buyers and raise capital by selling energy upfront. WePower is directly integrated with energy grid and wholesale energy markets. It enables transparent energy accounting and new generation digital utility services. We're currently piloting a nationwide energy data tokenization in Estonia. WePower token sale contributors will receive a native digital WPR token, which will give priority pass to green energy auctions, and will constantly occur energy donated by producers connected to the WePower platform. WPR token holders can use this energy for their own use or sell it on WePower platform at any time. To learn more about WPR token, please find the video in the comments below or check our social media channels. WePower already secured necessary partnerships from the current industry players to start energy trading immediately. WePower has a pipeline of renewable energy projects waiting for investment. This enables us to be operational within 9 months in Spain and further expand to Germany, Italy, Greece, and Portugal. Crowd-sale funding will be used for global expansion. Join our fundraising that will allow us to roll out WePower in its first target markets.
All right. So WePower pretty much, like I said, it reminds me of Power Ledger. You know, they're talking about green energy. But the very exciting project. I certainly watch that and get excited to see what's coming. I really like the fact that with this market here, with cryptocurrency and blockchain, how we can invest in some of these projects in Europe or Asia and, you know, spread our wings and see if we can find some solid ones. Now, keep in mind, guys, it is being said that 90% of these altcoin projects will fail. You know, that obviously no one's got a finger on the pulse with how many of them will accurately execute and succeed, and the ones that will fail. But not all of these are going to win out. So you guys, as the investor, have to make, you know, once you see these things, you have to do the research to go above and beyond to see if these are projects that you believe in that will be around for a while, and then you take out your position and you are waiting. You wait for it to develop. But you have to be making sure that you are believing in these projects to follow through. So anyways, guys, this is Jeff. If you're new here, you can subscribe to this channel, Altcoin Buzz. We talk about altcoins. We also have a Twitter account where you can keep up with us. We're really active over there, Altcoin Buzz IO. And you can also check us out on Instagram at Altcoin Buzz. Instagram's more of a lighthearted place for us to hang out. You can see we post some funny stuff on here. You're an a-hole, John. Other guys are starting their own business, and you're just messing around with some weird Bitcoin thing. You can see that was 17 February 2011. So we just post funny stuff like that. You know, got this here. I wish I had kept my 1,700 BTC at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Now they're at $8. So it's just funny, guys. We just have fun on Instagram. We also have fun on Twitter, but we're also doing that on Snapchat. Overall, if you want to catch up with us on Facebook or any of these platforms, just by catching us on Twitter, you'll be able to get links and ways to get a hold of us on these other platforms. So we'll see you guys next time. This is Jeff. Turn on that bell if you like videos like this.